Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 4th of October. The euro is strengthening ahead of the European Central Bank rate decision announcement. The ECB is expected to leave its rate unchanged, and unless there is a surprise, the highlight today is going to be President Draghi's press conference due at 12:30 GMT. He's expected to accept a stream of questions regarding the outright monetary transaction bond buying programme and how it will affect the ECB's seniority. The British pound is rebounding after heavy selling during the European session. The Bank of England is also expected to announce its lending rate today. Finally, the Federal Open Market Committee meeting minutes will be released at 1800 GMT, and investors worldwide are expected to scrutinise every word, anticipating hints for future policies. Oil plummeted versus the US dollar, falling from 91.65 to 88.33, a 3.6% daily drop following the crude oil inventory release. The Australian dollar remains weak as the aftershocks following the decision by the RBA to cut its lending rate by 0.25% are still being felt. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 128.75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 128.75. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.35 with a preference to enter into long positions at 78.35. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 102.35 with a preference to enter in short positions at 102.35. The sterling dollar pivot points at 161.30 with a preference to enter in short positions at 161.30. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9840 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9840. Looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot point is at 89 with a preference to enter in short positions at 89. The gold pivot point is at 1770 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1770. The silver pivot point is at 34.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 34.45. The US 500 is at 1436 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1436. And the UK 100 is at 5760 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5760. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers. In the UK, the Bank of England rate announcement is forecast to remain unchanged at 0.5%. In Europe, we have the European Central Bank rate announcement forecast to remain unchanged at 0.75%. In the US, we have the initial jobless claims forecast to come out at 370,000. And also in the US, we have factory orders in August forecast to drop by 5.8%. And on to our interesting pair of the day, which is the US dollar Polish zloty. We saw the US dollar is weakening versus the Polish zloty, currently below a major support area at around 3.16. The pair broke through that level yesterday during the Asian session, and it appears that there is enough momentum for this move to continue going into the European session. Thank you for tuning in to our daily outlook for the 4th of October. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.